This is Byongheon Moon, Vice President of Production at LG Electronics US Company. Automobiles are no longer merely a means of transportation. It has transformed into personal spaces, offering a complete lifestyle experience. As a result, demand for customization is expected to increase even further. In parallel, innovation in manufacturing methods is also necessary and inevitable. Diversity and flexibility in our production systems are essential to the future of our business. LG is gradually expanding integrating smart factories into the production process. Production data is collected in real time based on automation and digitalization. DX solutions which utilize algorithmic design enable us to perform advanced analysis on existing production operations and allow us to secure more flexible and reliable production lines. Ultimately, these developments will help LG to provide customers with more valuable solutions for improving production efficiency. Beginning in 2020, LG has been meticulously preparing for its smart factory and its related production line systems. Since the development stage, we have worked closely with the customers to implement a high-speed production line in Vietnam with IPS technology. We have also improved the production capacity with an unmanned production line in Korea. With these additions, we have been able to meet customer production demands, deliver impeccable quality, and improve cost competitiveness. We are currently streamlining the legacy production line and digitalizing phases of our automation procedures. Expansion of the new production line is already well underway as we continue to implement sophisticated DX solutions. These developments will allow us to improve productivity, quality, and on-time delivery, thereby maximizing customer satisfaction. Finally, we are actively considering the development of a digital twin solution within a meta factory using CPS technology. This will let us perform precise production simulations and address issues that may arise with the system in advance.